Before Mass begins, the server must dress the altar in preparation. He first removes the cover from the altar. He places the altar cards in their proper positions, the center card in the center, the lavabo card on the epistle side, and the last gospel card on the gospel side. He lights the candles, which at low Mass are only two. First the epistle side, then the gospel side. On the credence table, there should be cruets containing water and wine for Mass, a lavabo dish and towel, a bell for the server to ring during Mass, and if communion is to be distributed to the faithful, a server's paten. The altar missal is placed on a missal stand, which is set square on the epistle side of the altar. The missal should be placed on the altar closed, with the pages facing towards the center of the altar. Prior to placing the missal on the altar, the priest should read through all the prayers proper to the Mass of the day. He should also set the ribbons to their appropriate places. The first ribbon should be placed at the introit of the Mass. If the introit comes from one of the commons, a second ribbon must be placed for the proper collect, secret, and post-communion. The last ribbon is placed at the appropriate preface. If in doubt about which Mass is to be said on a given day, check the liturgical ordo for the year. The altar is now dressed and ready for Mass. Prior to saying Mass, the priest should spend a little time in prayer to properly recollect himself. There are a number of prayers in the front of the altar missal which are provided for this purpose. The priest then goes to the sacristy to vest for Mass.